Gabby again. Today I'm gonna announce that I'm gonna promote some of my followers and my subscribers. So here how it's gonna work. Please follow my Kik and subscribe it. And please follow my Twitter. Also subscribe my YouTube. In a few moments ago, I just uploaded a video on Kik that I need your suggestions on what's gonna be my performance in my new video on YouTube, my upcoming video on YouTube. So you can just enter the title there, for example, E.T. by Katy Perry or Hello by Lionel Richie. You can just enter the title, and please follow and subscribe me on Twitter, Kik, also YouTube. I'm gonna be picking 3 winners. These 3 winners will not only be promoted by me, but also be in my biography and Twitter. Like, they're my biggest fans, or they're my best lovely fans. Oh yeah, whatever. Or I'm just gonna put them in my bio because they're gonna mean a lot to me. And please enter this competition, for some of you that haven't know Kik. Kik is a 30-second videos that actually shows you what your daily life is going like. For example, you're walking a dog, or you're actually just singing, but it's a 30 seconds, so not a lot to do. Or you could be showering. So please enter the competition, and I'll be giving it a subscription below my Twitter, my Kik. So please enter this competition, okay? Bye!